Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com, and just enter. Now you just need to tap on or click on this menu button over here. Click on it and go to Avatar. So once you are in the hair, guys, you just need to go to head and body and go to hair. And in the hair, I'll show you how can you select multiple hairs. First of all, let me select one hair, and if I'm trying to select second hair as well, it unselect the previous one. So how can I select two hairs at once? So basically you just need to right click on one new hair that you want to wear and click on this or just copy the link address of a new hair and open a new tab and paste it over here and just copy the asset ID and go back to Avatar editor and just go to click on this advanced link over here and just paste your asset ID over here and click on save and click on save again. And you can see that I have selected two hairs simultaneously. So you have to repeat the same steps to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. Hope you like it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Till then.